Hello everyone! Today I'm reviewing the CMF Phone 1. What is CMF? CMF is a kind of a joke. Carl Pei, which is the previous boss of OnePlus, did found a new company which is called Nothing. And CMF is a sub-brand of Nothing. CMF is the entry level of Nothing. CMF is an acronym. It's again a joke. It's color, material and finish. As you can see, the design is very neat, very well packaged, as for all Nothing products. The entire back of the phone is replaceable, even the side. It's made of plastic, which is a great idea. Unfortunately, it's a very sleepy plastic. Sure, plastic can have scratches, but it won't break into pieces like all the glass sandwiches we have in our pockets. The screen is AMOLED, and the device is quite thin. It has 8 GB of RAM, so it's quite fast. It has its own identity with skin and icons and widgets. Very nice, very pleasing to use, and fast and fluid. Great software. On the picture side, it has only one good sensor at the rear, but it's a good sensor. It's a Sony IMX. And as you can see, I cropped into and okay, it's cropped very strongly, but here we can compare it with other flagships, phones that are much more expensive, and you can see that the CMF Phone 1 is okay. Outside, the screen readability is okay. It was a sunny day and no problem. And here are some comparison with the Huawei Mate 20X, which was a very high-end device at the time, and still it's stronger, especially when zooming, but CMF Phone 1 is quite good. Here at the zoom it's obvious, but apart from color science, you'll see it's good, including video. I'm saying here is a small selfie video for the CMF Phone 1. Here is another video while walking, a selfie video. I don't know if there's something going on with stabilization, but as you can see it's okay. It's not very wide. Here is 60 frames per second. We'll see if it's more fluid or stable. Another one, still 60 frames per second, while walking. Sorry for the car noises. Here I stand still and moving around. There's a lot to love about this phone. The performance, the flash memory, which is extensible. It's cute, it has a very nice design. The daylight pictures are quite good, video is correct, and the competitive pricing. It's about like Redmi or Realme, maybe a Poco, but some Poco are more expensive. It could improve on the plastic back, great idea, the plastic, but maybe another material would be less sleepy, so we must use a protection. There's only one true back camera, but it's good. There's no headphone jack, but wireless earphones are really cheap these days, so it doesn't matter much. It's not water resistant at all. I saw some review with people that had problem, so we must take care. But overall, I think it's really a nice phone, and it adds something to the market, because this product is very joy to use. Very nice, very cute. At the 200 euros price range, there's nothing like that. So this was a short review. If you already own this phone, I'll be happy to have your own thoughts of this product down below. Please like and subscribe, and see you for another video. Bye bye!